another week, another locomotive. So this is an engine that I bought a couple days ago off of trains.com. No surprise at all. This is my third time buying from them. First one I bought was the Empire State Express, the other was the Blue Comet, and now this. So let's see what we have here. Well, alright. Right. Original brown paper packaging as usual. Come here, you. Ooh, the box is very damaged. Oh no. Typical of them, huh? It's this now. Oh, I hope nothing is damaged. Oof. So, this is IHC Alton Limited. Don't know how rare this one is. I doubt it's not even rare at all, because I know the Rivarossi one is. But let's take it out and check on it. I'm a bit nervous about this now. Yeah, this is tough. There we go. Ooh, the boiler front came off. Oh, this easily fixed. Oh well. Let's take the engine out anyway, since I gotta put the boiler front back on anyways. There we go. Very easy fix. Alright. So, even though I bought this from Trains, it looks like it's in very good condition. I won't be fooled by it. But yeah, my watch is on 10%. Alright. Let's go charge it. Alright. Yeah. It looks pretty good. I'm guessing there must be the motor in there that I can see. Alright, now the tender. I think this is my first IHC model in so long. I think the first one I had was a Southern Mehano, although that was like back in 2007, I think. So I don't really remember that one very much, although I think I did have some trouble with it, even though IHC models are pretty tough, is what I heard. Pretty tough, pretty silent, pretty robust. They're pretty good, is what I've been told. So let's set the engine and tender up. Yeah, pretty nice. Really good. Alright, now let's put this on the track and see if it runs. My god, I hope so. After the Blue Comet, I do hope this at least runs, so I'm pretty sure it might, will it? Alright, let's do it. Alright, tender on first. And free row's pretty good. Alright, now for the engine itself. Alright. Make sure all the wheels are on. Alright, now a couple engine and tender together. Alright. Alright, now I do hope this at least goes after the Blue Comet I went to. Alright. Let's do it. Huh? Well, I'll be. There it goes. Well, I'll be. She runs. She runs perfectly too. And it's over 8 volts, and the current draw is not resistant. This is performing beautiful now. I think the camera might pick up a bit of something, but other than that, she's fine. She's absolutely fine. Looks like I should think about getting some Alton Limited coaches for her, eh? Maybe I should. Now, like I said before, I don't have any Alton Limited coaches, so, well, since I just got this thing, I'm going to be hauling Pennsylvania coaches with it, so that is what I shall do. Hopefully I'll get some Alton Limited coaches eventually. I don't know when I'll get them, since that's some of them are pretty high. This is at the Alton Limited by Rivarossi. Is pretty hard to find. Coaches can be a bit easy, although they can be a little bit pricey too. But the engine itself by Rivarossi is pretty rare, so yeah. Oh well, at least I have this one. Right, take it away, Alton Limited. Even though you're pulling some Pennsylvania coaches. Nice. Pretty nice. Well guys, that'll just about wrap it up for this video. After having a hard time this week with the family stuff, this engine has brought me some joy again, so I'm really happy with that. So I do apologize if I may not sound as excited as I used to be when I unbox a new engine, but it's been a rough week for me. I'll tell you guys what it is eventually. So right now it's might not be best that I shouldn't, I don't know. But I do want to thank you all so much for watching, and for that I will see you all in the next video. Take care everybody.